Hi everyone, it's Selena from Treat Petite. Today I'm going to show you how to make these lovebird cookies for Valentine's. I'm using a blue and pink for these cookies, but you can use any colors you like. So let's get started. Start by outlining a teardrop shape on one side of the cookie and fill in with 15-second consistency icing. This will need to crust or dry completely before piping the other side. Once your blue has dried or crusted for about 20 minutes, outline and fill in the right side of the cookie. Let this dry for a few hours before moving on. Using a brown 15-second consistency icing, draw a tree branch for the birds to sit on. Use piping consistency orange to draw the birds' beaks. Use piping consistency for the eyes as well. If you want to learn more about icing consistency, please watch my royal icing video. There's a link in the description box below. You can use an edible petal dust to add blush to their cheeks. I'm also using piping consistency for their wings and feet. A list of tools used in this video can be found in the description box below or on my website at treatpetite.com. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe for more cookie videos. Thanks for watching.